highs low and your lows high, right? So what I mean by that is when you get into entrepreneurship, your income is uncapped, right? So you might have months where, you get started, you're going, you're running. Ooh, baby, you have your first 10K month, 15K month, 19K month, whatever, right? Then you might have another month where it's like $19, right? Like the ebbs and flows. So what you want to do is you want to set the baseline of your expenses and say, you know what, my business might have made X, Y, and Z, but George and Carter were only entitled to whatever your salary or your owner's draw is. And that's going to really keep you in a good position, because when you have those good months, when you have that momentum, and then things kind of slow off and taper off a little bit, then what you're able to do is then if it slows down, you have the ability to still be okay because you didn't spend like you were crazy or out of your mind when you had a good month, right? So keep your highs low and your lows high. When you make a lot of money, you spend this. When you make a little bit of money, you spend this. And that will kind of level you out even when you have these ebbs and flows in the business.